Hey, Insider members, thanks for joining. This is the supplemental for basically for our Section 1 training. We are talking about the content planning spreadsheet. This is the tool that you guys can use. We're going to provide you with this tool that has two tabs. It's a spreadsheet, and it allows you to essentially track the keywords that you're stealing from your competitors, and while you're doing it, formatting it into a content planner that allows you to map content for your site. So we're going to give you two tabs. This is a blank spreadsheet that you guys can download and use however you see fit. You can copy, paste, do whatever you want to do. I'm just doing 10 keywords for the exercise, and you'll see me throughout this lesson referring back to this spreadsheet and how we do the research. So just stay tuned for that as we work our way through the lesson. I'm going to fill it out, and I'm going to keep it on this example completed spreadsheet. So when I'm all done with this, you'll have a fully populated content planning spreadsheet that's got all this data in it that you can take it and match it up against yours. Technically speaking, if you wanted to create a site in the lawn care niche or you were already there, then maybe I'm giving you some ideas and you could just go out and create a niche site if you want to. But the purpose is not to do that. The purpose is to show you this is what it should look like and give you a frame of reference to understand what we do when we're doing our keyword research. So again, let's just familiarize you guys with the spreadsheet so you understand what's what. And I'm going to walk through each one of these columns. So your competitor URL, this is the URL of your competition where you're finding your keywords. I like to keep track of them because I like to go back to them if I find specific keywords for an article, and that allows me to go back to them and see what else they've been up to at a later date. These two columns here, three columns. So article title, Yoast SEO title, and meta description. I'm going to come back to those here in just a minute. Your keywords that you have here, keywords are basically this is going to be where your keywords that you have found from your keyword research. So from your competitor URL, keywords that you're going to include, and these should all be closely related to each other for your article, because this colored section is just one article. So you're gonna tag all the keywords you want to get in that article. You can do whatever you want with this. It's not limited to just these, just this number of fields. You can add if you want. If you're, finding too few, you can delete it, and however you want to do it. The whole idea is to get your keyword volume documented. So, like I said, we're going to do this in the lawn care niche. So you saw there on this tab we had best weed eater. So I'm going to type that in here, and we're just going to say it gets 1,200 searches a month. I'm just guessing. And then we're going to do weed eater reviews, and this gets 880 searches. So as you can see, this is going to total down here. Now this total keyword volume to search for, this is what I like to see my articles over 10,000 total search volume when I do them, if I'm going to do anything longer than like 2,000 words. So there, I've got some articles where I've got 100,000 keywords that I'm trying to rank for, and it's an all-inclusive guide of everything for that particular topic, and it's an 8,000 word pillar post. You can do that. I don't do that for every article. I would say that you're safe if you've got 5,000 or 6,000 keywords to do a 1,500 to 2,000 word article at that point. Anything over that is just gravy. So I do use this spreadsheet when I am giving this to my writers, and so that's why you also see article type and article length. You can delete these if you like, but what I do is, depending on my volume, let's say I'm over 5,000, I may say I want my article to write 2,500 words, and the type is a product comparison. I give my writers specific instructions on the different article types when I have them, so they will know when they go to the instructions page that I provide them how to format the article based on the article type. Again, you don't have to use this. This is just a cheat for you. Even speaking, you could hide this if you want to and not even use it. But I just since I use this spreadsheet for so many different things, I'm going to leave them in here for you guys to figure out what you want. Let's talk about these three tabs. These are just bonus tabs. Again, you can hide them if this is too advanced for you. It's not a big deal. But for most people, I think this is going to be good. This is going to be good data. What I do is when I am formatting my articles, I start here. I try and save myself as much time as I can on the back end when the article is actually up and running. So what I'll do is I'll start my WordPress article title here. I'll do my Yoast SEO title here, which Yoast SEO is a plugin. It's free. And this is the Yoast meta description. So I will map these out before I ever even have my article written. So that way when I come back to it, all I have to do is copy and paste. If you're new and don't know what Yoast does, basically I'm going to show you. So when we type in best weed eater, these are the top weed eater articles. Yoast allows you to customize here what shows up. So if this is you on this page, you customize what this reads. This guy's article or girl's article, you can tell whoever wrote this, that what they've done is they went to their Yoast settings or their whatever they're using to manage their SEO, and they entered the 5 best weed eaters August of 2017. How do I know that? Because when I click and I actually go to this article, it doesn't say August of 17 anywhere up here. In fact, it says updated July of 2017, which was last month, officially as of tomorrow. So what you have here is you have the ability to customize this detail. You can customize this detail here as well, where it's got the meta description. This is what populates into that meta section that we have right here. So I just do it right now. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you just an example. This might be like best weed eater of 2017, and then I would say electric and battery powered. Let's think of an alternative word like weed whackers. And then for Yoast SEO, because that's way too long of a title, I'll just simply do best weed eater of 2017, and that'll be it. So what you'll find is when you do that, your search comes up looking like this, where it's nice and it's clean, and this helps with click-through rates, and it doesn't go too long where it's not, some of these see this one right here is a good example of the Lawn Toolist has the best video for the money in 2017, weird to remove reviews, and it's cut off. So this keeps that field keeps it cut down to here, and then you'll still rank for the battery-powered weed whackers because this is still in your title. It's just not showing up in Google search results. So you'll still rank for these keywords. So I like to make long titles in my article title and make a different one for Yoast SEO. So we'll do that, and then we'll just write out the meta descriptions. That might be, like see. Oops, looks like I forgot to change the color there. So this might be see the best weed eaters of 2017 by checking out my article. And then it's probably not what we're going to do, but I figure what, it's good enough just to give you an idea. So now we've got this here, and you'll be able to do this. Let's go ahead and we're going to format this and just wrap this text so you can see it. So now we've got this part, we've got it all set. This will just be copy and paste when you get to your article. I'm going to leave this in here. I'm going to show you how we steal more keywords in the next video, but this was really just a quick demo to get you guys familiar with the content planning spreadsheet. I hope it helped, and we'll check you guys in the next video.